This video tutorial I will explain how to schedule a task repeatedly after a specified delay. For that we can use schedule method of timer class which accept timer task, initial delay and the period. Here I have defined a class cleanup timer task which extends timer task class and provide implementation of run method. Here I have defined a class timer demo. Here I have created cleanup timer task and timer object. Then I am calling schedule method of timer object and passing cleanup timer task and the initial delay and the period. So this task will be executed after 5000 milliseconds, and after that every 2000 milliseconds it will keep on executing. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.